Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix the following components are required to run this program, DirectX Runtime in Valorant. It's quite easy to fix, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser, and then on Google, you just need to write DirectX Runtime, and probably it will be the first link by Microsoft.com. Download DirectX and use your runtime from official website. So press on that, you will see this window. Then you just need to select the language if you want to and download it. Then you can save it to your desktop. And once you got it on your desktop, as you can see, it will be here. You just need to install like a normal thing. Press accept, then take this button down. Probably you don't need to Bing bar. And then as you can see here, it's installing. And we need to wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see here, installation complete. And then you just need to restart your computer. And after that, run Valorant and your issue should be fixed. Right? So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.